Thank you for joining this Volante training session. In this session, we'll be going over how to create your account and how to log into the AMS, which is short for Account Management System. In this example, it's called BadgePay. Please check your location-specific documentation for your login URL and AMS name. Let's begin. To create an account, you will need to go to your site-specific login URL and click Sign Up. This will bring up more fields for you to input your information. In the Account ID field, type your employee ID or customer code. The email will be your work email. And go ahead and create a password. Once you confirm your password, you can go ahead and click Sign Up. Upon success, you should get a confirmation. Should you get an error indicating that this is not a valid ID in the system, please contact your employer or store admin to have you registered. You should also receive a confirmation email sent to the email you've registered shortly after. Here is an example of your activation email. Let's sign in with our new credentials. Should you forget your password at any time, you can click Forget Password down below and follow the steps to reset your password through email. When it is your first time signing in, an account creation waiver will appear. Once you've read the waiver, you can click Accept to proceed. You'll be brought to the home page where you can see all of your information, account balance, and transactions. You can even view receipts. In this section, we'll be going through how to load and auto-load your account. This option is primarily used by those who have a declining balance account, which functions similarly to a debit or gift card. Let's begin with how to load your account. So once you've successfully logged into your account, go to the Load Account tab. Scroll until you see your credit card information heading, and this is where you'll input all of your credit card information and the load amount. Let's go through an example together. For this example, I'm going to load $20. And you'll see down below the option to save this card for future transactions. Check mark this if you'd like for an easier loading experience or if you'd like to proceed with auto load. Down below, you'll be able to view the terms and conditions by clicking here. And once you've check marked this, you'll be agreeing to the terms and conditions as stated. If you do not check this off, you will not be able to submit the load request. And there you have it. You've successfully loaded $20 to your account, and it may take a few minutes for your balance to reflect. Next, we'll be going through how to auto-load your account. Go to the Manage Profile tab and scroll down until you see the credit card information heading. If you have already saved a credit card, the auto-load will use that saved credit card to credit your account. Should you like to change the auto-load credit card, you can do so here. But please note that you can only have one credit card saved on your account at a time. Once you've inputted your credit card information and saved it, the auto load account setting will expand for you to input your information. Here you can enter the load amount, and this is where you're going to put the dollar amount at which you want the auto load to happen. Think of this as a threshold. So say I want my account to always have at least $15 because that's the minimum meal at my cafeteria. I will put 15 here. Again, you'll have to agree to the terms of service and condition to proceed with the auto pay, and you can click here to view the terms and condition. Now you're all set for your auto load and will not have to worry about account balance again. Next, we will be going through how to opt out and in of your payroll deduct account. This function is used by those who have a payroll deduct account or departmental account or volunteers. To opt out, you are simply stopping your meal purchases from being deducted from your payroll. The opt-out option will still be under Manage Profile. Scroll down until you see the Payroll Deduct Opt-out heading, and you'll see here that you can submit a deactivation request, therefore revoking authorization for payroll deduct. Once you've successfully opted out, you'll be brought back to the home page. You can just check to make sure that your opt-out has been successful by going to your Manage Profile and seeing here that indeed now you can submit a reactivation, as in to opt back in, and you can do so anytime. Changes will also take effect immediately. There are a few handy notification settings that you may want to set. They can be found under the Manage Profile tab, and scroll down until you see the notification settings. As you can see here, you can allow an email notification for when your account balance is low and for when your account has been loaded with funds. Check off what you want and hit Apply Changes. Your notification settings have now been updated successfully. That's all for today's training session for your account management system. Should you have any questions, please contact our support team. The contact information will appear shortly after. Thank you so much.